Hello friends, welcome to our channel Starlight Stories. In the kingdom of Chandragiri, a poor but kind-hearted boy named Ranga embarks on a journey to improve his family's fortune with the help of a magical talking bee, leading to unexpected adventures and triumphs.
Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Chandragiri, in a village called Penumuru, there lived a poor boy named Ranga with his father Neengappa and his mother Ningava. He was very soft-hearted and wished well for everyone. His father Neengappa was a bangle merchant. Despite traveling from village to village, Neengappa could not earn enough to provide for food and clothing. Ranga was a devout believer in God. Every day, Ranga would pick flowers from the plants near his house and go to the Sri Rama temple in the village, offering the flowers to the deity and praying for the financial well-being of his family. In the kingdom of Chandragiri, a feudal lord named Nandivarma ruled. He would always entertain the people with competitions and games, and honor them with valuable prizes. One day, while Ranga was bathing in the river, he heard a bee's wing fall into the water and start drowning, shouting, "Save me, save me." Ranga was astonished to see a talking bee. Using a leaf, he carefully lifted it out and rescued it from danger on the river bank. From that day on, the talking bee became Ranga's dear friend. They talked about many things every day and played together. Once, Nandivarma organized a pot-breaking competition. He also allowed participants to take shortcuts in the competition. It was a 1,000-step race, and he announced that the winner would receive 10,000 gold coins. The race started from Penumuru village and ended at the Sri Rama temple. Hearing this, Ranga thought of participating as well. However, walking 1,000 steps blindfolded was a challenging task. Ranga went to the Sri Rama temple and prayed for help. Seeing his devotion, the bee gave him some advice. It said there was a way for him to surely win the competition. Since the king allowed participants to take shortcuts, the bee proposed a plan. It said, "When I say Rama, go right; when I say Lakshmana, go left; when I say Sita, go straight; and when I say Hanuman, hit." Ranga agreed. The competition began. King Nandivarma, the ministers, and the village officials all gathered near the temple. Thousands of people eagerly waited to see who would win. Many participants tried but either failed halfway or lost their way at the beginning or near the end. Finally, it was Ranga's turn. Everyone was curious about Ranga. If adults couldn't do it, how would this boy manage, they thought. They blindfolded him, gave him a stick, spun him around 3 times, and placed him at the starting point of the village path. Ranga started walking, remembering Sri Rama. The bee, hidden in Ranga's sleeve, began to help him. When Ranga was on the right path, the bee stayed silent. If he strayed, the bee would say Rama to turn right and Lakshmana to turn left, guiding him without anyone suspecting. Encouraging him with Sita, the bee helped Ranga proceed carefully. Finally, with the bee's help, Ranga reached the pot near the temple despite being blindfolded. The bee said Hanuman, and Ranga, remembering Sri Rama, swung the stick and hit the pot in one go. Everyone cheered. The king, ministers, and elders clapped. King Nandivarma called Ranga and awarded him 10,000 gold coins. From that day on, Ranga lived happily, without any financial troubles, helping his parents and playing with the bee.
If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe to our channel for more enchanting tales. Thank you.